Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. It is Thanksgiving 2023, and I woke up this morning feeling especially thankful for my garage. And I realized that I have not recently updated you guys on some of the new stuff in here. So I thought today would be a good day just to give a little overview. I'll make some more detailed videos of some of the exact things that I've done, how I did them. And the garage is pretty much a mess right now, but I have some cool new additions that I wanted to show you. You guys have probably seen the new to me, 2011 Cayenne Turbo, little Golf, and on this guy to match because mine was worn and nasty. But the pretty little Elise is still here. Just wanted to talk about some of the new stuff. The Vapor Honer is the coolest new tool that I have. I'll do some more detailed videos on that and how to set it up. And when I got it, I needed air. So I ran some shop air in here. I'll do a separate video on that, but I now have shop air over here for this. It runs all the way down. I have a connection over here with a reel. Installed this little gadget up here to hold some of the air tools. So it's really nice having shop air wherever I need it. And it comes in over here from outside where I have the big air compressor and have a third option to plug into the air right here. Yeah, this is a really cool system. It's easy to bend and run along wherever you need it. And let's see, outside you can see that I just ran this through my wall into my giant 80-gallon air compressor that is sitting out there. So that allows it to be much quieter in here when it runs. That thing's not too loud in general, but I just left it in the crate, so it's pretty much protected already. And I cut out a little bit of a tarp from Harbor Freight and stapled it on the top so it does not get wet from the top, but still has the original plastic on here. I pushed a big hole through so that it could get some ventilation. Eventually I'm going to put some siding around it, probably with a little door to open up for ventilation to make it look prettier with the house. But yeah, still love the lighting in here. That's the first thing people notice when they come to the garage for the first time and I turn that on. It is pretty fantastic. But yeah, just really thankful for the garage, the tools I have in here. Makes it easier to work on these engines, first of all, and make better content for you guys. So is there anything that you guys would like to see? Or do you have any questions about anything for me or any future content that you'd like to see? I'd like to make some more content on this guy and how fantastic it is and the parts that it can clean. I'll probably use it on some more of my parts laying around here eventually. But yeah, the things that I have cleaned already, these are the pieces that were under the Cayman, and while the engine is out, I just pulled some stuff out and did a little bit of cleaning, and it's so much fun. So these two parts are next. Oh yeah, the other new addition is this shelving unit. I got that at Costco for like 220 bucks. It's pretty awesome. Each shelf can supposedly hold like 2,000 pounds, and you don't need any tools or hardware to assemble this thing. It all just slides together with a big rubber mallet. So that was super easy to build, and it gets a lot of I got a lot of the engine components in these bins now. So I got all the Bank 1 stuff in here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the Bank 1 components, Bank 2 in there. We got our crankshaft and crankcase and intermediate shaft chains sitting down here out of the way. The exhaust, of course. And other components I had to take out of this thing. So it helps get those organized and out of my way. So again, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I hope you are enjoying your day. I'm gonna run inside, edit this, and publish it real quick so you can watch it on Thanksgiving if you're bored and tired of that Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade. Need a little filler before football comes on. So thanks again for watching, guys. Again, comment below, add your questions. Let me know what you would like to see on this channel. Things you don't wanna see, I guess, I don't know. But thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.